After the implementation of CAA in the country, TSF staged a protest opposing CAA implementation at Ashtabal Ground on Tuesday night. TSF town committee members and leaders were present on this day. A long time ago, the Citizenship Amendment Bill or CAA was passed by Parliament. But even after the lapse of 4 years, no rules have been made. But finally, the speculation proved true. CAA was implemented across the country. On Monday evening, Home Minister Amit Shah tweeted and notified the Citizen Amendment rules. The opposition has been increasingly vocal about this. According to the CAA Act, religious minorities other than Muslims from countries like Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan who came to India till December 31, 2014 will get citizenship of this country. The rules of this law were published on Monday. Likewise, opposing the CAA implementation, TSF staged a protest on Tuesday night at Ashtabal Ground of the capital. Later, during the interaction with the media, TSF leaders said that they are ready for the greater movement in the coming days on account of opposing the implementation of CAA.
Abonorogai Mia je pas kaimani bilno jenglo tiba hasewo abno implement ta khaitong abo implement khaike jeng TSF tongala tai o hani gusa de tiba sa go chop tongala abon bage chingtini je mia memory nokhomani a je pe bodo chingtino sok lakya
agam dinon rok pom hai protest rok khani nam hai
jeng tabo to jodi implement to khaike jeng te bodo ne start hanai jeng hain chop tongala TSF o tiba hawata mu jeng saimi abot ni olo jeng samoni kok sunai tai tini jeng joto notice joto state tongai ajang jeng palai dongo dina tiba jeng agot la polai ka o sami mi joto Ashtabal mo jeng agot lawo
acha age kabang ma politics thurung khmer ro hol mado baru kokjak mani a kok rokti sawi kabang ma thurung betak ro kokti saja kha je politics leader ro pia abrok tabo BJP ro baksa hawi thamai ka amro no tam kok saram so age je kok sari khmer ro
awa ta tamun kok no chino tiba hasewo jeng to tiba sa mu bagit jeng khaino phayo jeng abo jeng tamo BJP tamo IPP tamo CBI tam Congress jeng naya jeng tabuk je man sin TSF jeng agui thangai tai jeng abon khasa je chini haseni lukorong chini logi tongna bagai
omo chini tibason be kese virus ni jeng khaklayo o virus omo corona selepan danger corona khai teruk thiyo omo khai jengno khai tebo borok subungai jengno borok songka kom khai jengno bothanani kese naimani jengno bill no against khlaye 2019 ni simen jeng omon khorang kese khalayo jeng guli bosa ka jeng TSF ni movement no jeng tibasara guli bo kokla kha tokon jeng o bill no bago tibra khani repeal claim ya ko jeng Indian government no omno appeal khayje o bill no tibra jo implement ta kharinan thon Mia jeng nukha je Indian government kaisa document kaisa publish khlaimani a document jeng tini oppose khlayo jeng amno sejao jeng amno selango of document jeng tini o jagao Indian government no te tibra sarkar no jeng amno phungo jeng bill oppose khlayo
aja tomo nomo chalo ngui thaka kha ka thenanga tipra sarone bom hai hamkai rok na ba bom hai kebang murok no
tipra sarone kebang mung to jeng saimano omo bill tam clearly jeng saimano CAB mane CAA mana fatar hani je borok khanya rang no citizen nani Indian citizen nani jeng je jaga nukja go jeng tipra hawo jeng tipra saro je jaga jeng majority tamo jaga jeng minority ni thaka teruk a jaga ni bisingo teso bill no tipra oti implement khlai dikangai o bobis tipra saro je bobis tomani jeng tebo tumai thanai amon jeng tipra saro bage belai jeng jal jeng songkhate kamung thanai teruk chini government policy ni tebo jeng tebo tola teruk khologi thanai
a siere so ba age kabang ma om hai kok sai thang ka tabo MLA ro montri ro thamai ka bro no to bom hai kok ka sana mo
ang MLA minister ngomong kabung namo tunguje o CAA no jeng politically issue ni wansi yawoi jeng choi chini tipra hani indigenous borok even tipra sarok simia o hani je bubuni borok tamani bong bagi bo bill belana haini hani sing khaklayo so omono politically issue ni wansi yawoi choi demand ni wansi be assembly hok central minister bo yang PM bank home minister bank asugoi omoni ke solution tipra implement khaya angnatai omono khalnang to ne ang omono appeal khena mo
अब तो बिया नोटिस कर जागा पियाबा म जति रंगै थान थांगा 6 सुदुलो बद खप जंनाय
जों जा साइमनानि सिदै हिकाय जेफोर जों TSF 2019 जेफोर मुभमेन्ट खालायका जखन इंडियन गभर्नमेंट बाय अमने तै मीटिंग चापलायका टेबल टॉप जेफोरंका आफोर जों खालायमा खाजे 6 शेड्यूल एरिया व अम इम्प्लिमेंट खालायजागला थिया बाचिनि क्वेश्चन हिकाय ओ 6 शेड्यूल एरिया कि तिप्रानि बारे दिबा ओ 6 शेड्यूल एरिया व तिप्रानि बिसिङनो हिकाय Indian government Tripura government ke bahai ke confidence haiman je 6 schedule area wa kun borak citizen dijagla khani ba bahai ka confidence laiman ngi mano sing bisi habi citizen mani sang mano amono jeng 6 schedule simia Tripura hawan implement ta khaitun amono chini samne
see new rules regulation they have issued. We all know that this bill CAA is a draconian bill, and this bill Citizenship Amendment Act, it is totally against the constitutional values of the our country, and also it is against of also human rights law, and we strongly oppose this Citizenship Amendment Act, and also the regulation and rules which is issued by the Home Affairs Union Ministry. And we also appeal the citizen of India, and also especially our Northeast. We strongly should appeal this bill because this is very harmful for our indigenous people, and also for the values of the Constitution of India. Because we know the bill which is against the Muslim community and also the Christian community. That is why we oppose this bill, and also we strongly condemn on behalf of TSF and as well as Northeast Eastern Organization NESO. And today we came here to burn this issue rules to show the government of India and also the government of Tripura. We are strongly opposed, and we are strongly opposed this bill. Today we here come our town committee, TSF, and our Southern North, and our central committee, Southern South, and we came together to show our oppose regarding this bill.
अगर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इस बिल को बातिल नहीं किया तो आपका नेक्स्ट क्या बोलेंगे?
We are going to very violence because this bill is very sensitive issue. We all know this bill can harm very deeply in our state, Tripura state, and not only Tripura state, as whole India, because as I said earlier, this bill always all around from all sides. This is against the Constitution of India and also against the human right law. That is why we like to appeal our Prime Minister of this country, our Narendra Modi and Amit Shah, to scrap this bill as soon as possible. We Tripura people always the peace-loving people. We always make peace and harmony in this state. So we don't want to going violence for this issue. So they should understand our sentiment. They should understand our emotional. So that is why they should remove as soon as possible this bill.
Your name?
My name is Satyajit and I am town committee TSF president.
On this day, TSF burned the implementation paper of CAA and protested opposing against CAA. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini Khorang.